In today's video, I'm going to teach you all about Microsoft Teams channels and how to use them effectively to enhance your team collaboration. If you're new to Microsoft Teams or just looking to improve your workflow, you're in the right place. Let me walk you through the process step by step. We'll start by navigating to Microsoft Teams. This is your team workspace where all collaboration happens. Once you're in Microsoft Teams, look for the Branding Identity channel. It's crucial because it's the specific workspace within Teams where you'll focus your efforts on this demo. In the Branding Identity channel, we'll concentrate on three key areas: posts, files, and the wiki. These functions will enable you to communicate, share documents, and organize your notes with your team efficiently. First, direct your attention to the Post tab. This is where most of your team conversations will happen. To start a discussion, click on New Conversation. This opens a text box where you can type your message. Take your time to compose a message tailored to your team's context or the project at hand. After typing your message, a handy tip is to click on the pen icon if you need to edit your message before sending it. Once you're satisfied, ensure that your message is visible to the relevant members by selecting the board option. Now, hit send. This one-click action propels your message into your team's conversation stream, making it visible to everyone. After sending, don't forget you can always click on reply under the message to continue the discussion thread seamlessly. Here you can type a follow-up message and click send to keep the dialogue flowing. Adding a bit of personal touch is always nice, so click on the emoji icon and hit the like emoji or any other reaction that fits the context. It's a great way to express support or enthusiasm for team contributions. Next, let's pivot to the Files tab. This powerful feature allows you to share and manage documents within the channel. Click on the clip icon and select Upload from Computer to bring files directly into Teams. Choose the files you want to share and upload them. Once your files are uploaded, return to the Files tab. Here you'll find a list of all shared documents. Click on the three dots next to any file that you want to turn into a quick access tab. Click on Make this a tab to pin important resources for easy reference. When you are in the channel, you might want to organize additional resources or applications like OneNote. Simply click on the plus button and select OneNote. For organizational ease, you can title it Notes for New Brand, or whatever fits your needs best. This will help you consolidate important notes as your project develops. Finally, check the history of your channel activities to ensure everything is in place. And there you have it. You've learned to navigate and utilize Microsoft Teams channels effectively, boosting both your productivity and team collaboration. Happy teaming!